The number of new cases of COVID-19 in South Korea has been above 300 since Friday. Today, the KCDC warned that the resurgence of the virus is now a crisis. To fight this emerging second wave, the government has expanded the stricter social distancing guidelines to all parts of the country. Choi Won-jong has the latest.
The social distancing guidelines, recently raised to level 2 in the area near Seoul, have been expanded to entire country as of Sunday. The government has enacted these stricter measures, which force the closure of singing rooms, clubs, buffet restaurants, and other high-risk facilities because of rapidly spreading cluster infections in all major cities and provinces. The cluster infections are mostly linked to the Sarang Jeil Church in northern Seoul and a political rally held in the capital last weekend. On Sunday, the health authorities said the cluster infections are expected to grow.
We see a rising number of cases in all 17 cities and provinces. This is a serious situation in which we're facing another large outbreak across the nation.
Most of new cases of COVID-19 have been reported in Seoul. As a result, Seoul's acting mayor has announced stricter quarantine guidelines within the capital area.
Starting Monday, masks are mandatory. Everyone is required to wear a mask indoors, at concerts and at outdoor venues where there are large numbers of people. This applies except when you are eating or when it's otherwise unavoidable.
In addition, the city also imposed one-strike policy for high-risk facilities that have been ordered to close. If they're found to be violating the rules even once, they will be given 2-week business suspension and potentially fines and criminal charges. On Sunday, South Korea reported 397 cases of COVID-19. Of those, all but 10 were transmitted locally. In total, the number of cases in the country to date stands at 17,399, with no additional deaths, but the death toll remains at 309. The number of new cases is close to 400 in a single day, but the head of KCDC said the pandemic has not yet reached its peak. Choi Won-jong, Arirang News.